Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Tech. Use right now in front of you HP DeskTech 2721 printer. This is a brand new printer and I just installed the ink cartridges and set up the Wi-Fi network connection already. So we have to print the alignment page for better quality, and look, you can see we will learn today how to print the alignment page and how to complete the process of alignment. As you can see in front of you, HP Smart app and printer is added already. You can see the process of add the printer in my previous video. How to align the print head? Just click on your printer here up on top of the printer and scroll down, and you can see here the tools, printer reports, print quality tools, and alignment and maintenance. Click on alignment and maintenance. It will take time to load the information. Okay, it's loaded. You can see here print quality report, align. You can see align print head. Maybe it's loading the video. Okay, here is align print head. We have to load the A4 sheet first. We will load the A4 sheet, blank A4 sheet. Okay, then we will click on align. You can see it's showing processing. The processing might take several minutes. Might be it will take several minutes. So wait, let it. Print head alignment is useful for good quality of print. So you have to make the process complete. If you buy a new printer, any desktop printer, it must require alignment, print head alignment. Let it print the page. Okay, you can see this page is printed. How to complete the process? You will see it's written here. Place the alignment page face down to the scanner glass and then press OK to scan the alignment page. After it is scanned, alignment is complete. It's asking us to place this on the scanner page, and also there is another option. You will see here this page, we will lift the scanner cover and we will place it inside, then we will press the copy button. Both ways to complete the scan. From the copy button here also, color or black, or from here we will press OK. So first of all, we will place this paper inside here. Okay, yes, I will remove this plastic and make sure that it's right with the direction. Fine. Now I will press OK. It's saying processing. It might take several minutes. Now I can hear the voice also. Scanner is moving to scan this alignment page. You will see the message over here also, and this is the power light will stop flashing. You will see the power light will stop flashing right after complete. Now as you can see, the A sign A is also flashing. Right after complete, you will see the difference. Okay, it's showing here alignment successfully. Recycle or discard the alignment page, press OK, and here also no more power light flashing and no sign of A. So it's asking us to remove this page that we insert inside. Okay viewers, this was the process to scan the alignment page and to complete the process of alignment printhead. If you have any question regarding this printer, you can ask me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching this video. Take care guys. Bye.